Hi guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have found this effect reference on Pinterest, and this video or effect is from videohype.net. So I'm not copying everything from this. I am just taking some idea because I'm just liking this pattern of this effect, and I'm not following the video. I'll just follow this image and see how I can create this type of effect. Okay, so let's start this.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification. So as you can see, this effect, if I'll break the elements, these rings, I have these rings, 6, and then this blue ring 7, and this center orb, so 8 particle emitters I need to create this. I will create this from scratch. So Niagara, just take a fountain, and this will be your orb. And let's just move this window here because my video is covering my head, actually covering some settings, because some of my subscribers complained that my head is covering some space here. So I'll just make some space. So I have this fountain, and I hope now my face is not covering these settings. And in this fountain, this will be my core. Okay, and to make this, I'll just remove these very quickly. I have just a sphere, just make it 100, and see this core is just nothing but curl noise. And now particle is spawning, and I'll just make the whole effect like 5 duration, and now the life for this would be like 3 or 1, and these are just popping in and out, so I will use size and make the float, then curve and in and out. So I'll just make this 0 and 0.5, it will be 1, and smooth these by pressing 1 in your keyboard. Now this is smooth enough, and you can see this is merged. So let's get this, let's make this GPU and use lots of particles. This effect is not going to be optimized because I'm going to use lots of particles. I'm not making any texture here. I'll use just particle system and see how I can match this. So let's say 5000, and this is cyan, so let's make this cyan. And now use I'll use this non-uniform and 0.1, 5 or 10, velocity aligned. And now I will use curl noise 100, and some drag like 2, animate your curl noise, and I'll just use like 10,000, and also I'll just use the sphere on the surface band. For now it's okay. We can now then increase the particles when we will finish it. If I reduce the alpha and increase the particle like for 50,000, and now I can use the alpha 0.1. it will be almost there. I'll increase this frequency and decrease this to 50. Okay, so center orb is almost done. Now I need a ring, this blue ring, then these small purple rings. So I'll just duplicate this, and this will be my big blue ring. So blue ring, and I'll not change here anything, just I'll remove the sphere and I'll use, you can just type torus, and I'm facing the y-axis now, so I'll just make this y, make this 0 and increase the size, and curl noise is perfect. I just need to change this frequency. Oops, 5. Cool. And I'll just increase this to 4 and 5, and color is almost same. Center part is more bright, so I'll just increase the alpha. And now these rings, these are all almost same, like this is the big ring and this is the core. So what you can do, actually, you can duplicate this and you can use it as component render, but I will not do that. Or should I do that? Okay, I'll just duplicate this, and this effect is almost now finished, just in 5 or 10 minutes. It will not be long, so I will make this purple. Okay, and now in this purple one I will decrease the radius and change the color to purple. And maybe I can increase the second radius. And play with this. So I have this second system, purple, and now in here I will duplicate this blue ring, and let's just rename it ring. And if I isolate this and remove the curl noise, drag, and I have only torus, and if I use spawn burst here, and if I make it how many these are, 1 2 3 4 5 6, if I make this 6 and increase the color, so you can see, and let's make this uniform and not velocity align. So now I have these 6 but randomly spawning on this torus, so I will just make this direct, and now it's on at same point, so I need to multiply this with the execution index, and now you can see this is distributed equally. Okay, so if I turn this off, I have these green dots, and now here I can turn off my sprite renderer and use the component renderer, and here just use 6 and type here Niagara, and then this purple one, call this here, and what is saying, incompatible sim mod, so you need to reset this. It's not showing anything. I'll just make this purple one local, and let's just try this in viewport, and you can see I have these, but these purples are very large, so I'll just make it 20, and this torus will be like, and curl noise would be like 20, and decrease the strength, and this also. Now I play, but these are disappearing. So here in my orb, let's make this infinite and spawn at once, loop at once. Now our elements already almost done, just some more things to fill this up, like this center part. Now we can play with this. I can just turn this off, and this is my core, so I will increase the curl noise, decrease the frequency. Then I'll duplicate my core and change the color to purple, and decrease the alpha, increase the size, and see how it looks. Now these are also almost filled, no space here. So in this purple, let's change some setting. This looks nice pattern, and you can also do one more thing. This center is a sphere. You can just do one thing, like this is core is sphere, and we are watching it from y-axis, so you can scale this on y-axis to 0. Now it will be almost planar, and same with this core, and same in the purple core. And now if I play, it is like this. So this is all about curl noise, shapes, and just simple settings, and you can do more things with this. Like in purple, I'll again duplicate this and again duplicate this, and this time I'll make this 0, and now it's this edge is coming out here, and I'll change this. Same I'll do with my blue ring. I'll duplicate this, and in this it is already 0, but I will decrease the curl noise and increase this, and increase the color also. Now I have this blue edge, but this is very straight. Let's just increase. You can play with this all day and make different settings. Now this need to be filled. So here in this core, this purple one, I'll duplicate this core again, and this time I'll remove these things and just use like 10 particles and not velocity aligned, and increase this and just make this uniform and random 10 and 2, make this 5 or make this 50, so not 50, 20 and 10. So now it's filling this effect. These are all filled but very opaque, so I'll just do it 0.01 and increase this size. This is now filled. Same you can do for the center. Same you can do. If I go here, I can just duplicate this, copy and paste it here, and just change the color to blue, cyan actually, and increase the size to 50, I think 100. See what it, yes, now it's filling, and I'll decrease the alpha 0.005. So without any special material or anything, we have this simple effect. These need to be offsetted. So here in orb, in this ring where I use component render, in torus I will offset on Y 50, play. Now these are offsetted, but 50 is too much I think, so I'll use 5, just 5. Okay, I think this looks nice. Not same, but you got the idea how to connect these type of thing. You can play with this more and more. I'll again duplicate this blue layer, and here I will isolate this, and let's increase this thing. And see how it looks. Cool. Now this is looking very nice. And same you can do with your purple one, and I will just duplicate this. Actually this is purple, I didn't rename it. I'll just duplicate this layer, and same I will do here. I will just isolate this. This is this ring, and I will increase this. Now this is how it looks, and full screen. This look pretty much awesome. So I hope you like this, and if you have any query, just comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel CGHOW. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.